In 1870, Tennant Company started out as a wood floor finishing company. Today, Tennant is known globally as a cleaning equipment manufacturer with distribution in more than 100 countries. Our success didn't happen overnight. Tennant has remained focused on advancing the industry by pursuing new technologies and creating a culture that celebrates innovation. In 1947, we invented the first ride-on power sweeper and went on to develop the first built-from-the-ground-up ride-on scrubber by 1970. In 2008, we introduced our proprietary EC Water technology and next-generation EC Water NanoClean in 2015. To optimise fleet performance, Iris Asset Manager was released in 2016. Today, our global equipment portfolio consists of over 330 products and technologies designed to #deliver clean to our customers. Tennant Company has expanded its global reach over the years and today has 13 manufacturing plants across 4 continents. The Tennant value proposition is built on quality, innovation and expert service, and our promise to our customers is to deliver exceptional service in every interaction with us.
Our factory direct service team consists of 40+ trained technicians as well as a network of authorised service providers across Australia and New Zealand to service you every day. We average a 2-hour response to your inquiry and we'll have a tech on site within 48 hours.
Tennant machines are also extremely robust and reliable. By implementing proven manufacturing technologies and using only the best materials, with Tennant you're investing in superior performance and durability. Equipment built to last in the harshest of conditions and able to deal with the toughest dirt and debris. In fact, there are machines out in the workplace that are over 30 years old and still working daily. With direct representation and offices nationwide, no one is better placed than Tennant to provide you with professional and trusted service and support to assist with finding solutions for your facility's needs.